If your Toyota Camry is failing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't panic, as it is usually a simple software handshake issue. Nearly 80% of connectivity complaints are fixed by clearing out old cached data rather than replacing hardware. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start by checking your hardware, as a worn cable or debris in the phone port is the most common culprit. Dive into your iPhone settings to ensure that CarPlay is not restricted under your screen time or privacy profiles. If the phone is fine, perform a soft reset on the Camry's infotainment system by holding the power button until it reboots. Wireless CarPlay is convenient, but it is far more susceptible to signal interference than a standard wired connection. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are resolved by changing your cable or performing a simple reset. If you're still struggling, try removing the car's profile from your phone entirely and setting it up as a new device. You do not need specialized tools here, just a high-quality cable and a bit of patience during the pairing process. Keep in mind that if these software fixes fail, your head unit might require a specific firmware update from the dealer. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you are back to enjoying your music safely on the road.